We all know that for many people, making money on YouTube is a dream come true. This is mainly because YouTubers apparently have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since making a YouTube channel is easier than ever, it is a great idea to plan big and aim higher. However, one should always remember that creating a YouTube channel is simple, but turning it into a cash machine isn't a piece of cake. You can earn your first $100 by landing a sponsorship deal or selling something. But maximized earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. YouTube doesn't pay content creators for uploading videos on YouTube only, and the videos aren't monetized by themselves. To generate lots of money from YouTube, you have to turn on monetization from your account settings. YouTube allows you to join its partner program or have your videos featured on YouTube Premium. Moving further in this video, we will tell you how to start earning right away. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Obviously, if you are aiming to earn from YouTube, then you are supposed to have a YouTube channel as well. So the first thing is to create an account, which is a pretty simple step, so you better not waste any time here. Go directly and click on the top right profile button. There you will see the Create a Channel option. After clicking that option, YouTube will ask you for the relevant information that you are going to provide. And boom! Your channel will be created. Oh, but wait, this was just the first step for our today's journey. Stick around for more important stuff. Step 2. Find easy topics for your videos. After you are done creating your channel, what you are going to do next is find a bunch of easy topics related to your niche. You must have sorted out the niche before creating a channel, but if you still haven't thought about it, then now is the time. Take your time to decide the niche you would enjoy creating videos for. After you are done with the niche thing, find easy yet engaging topics for the content you will be posting about. You can use various tools for this task, such as ShineRanker. You can get it here at shinerankerbot.com. One of the best parts of ShineRanker is its capability to check keywords in bulk and find out its difficulty using the title search operator. This is a custom search operator used in search engines that finds pages with a particular word or words in the title. At the moment, ShineRanker shows the range of a title result within the keyword research feature. Similar tools or competitors that offer the same feature are ahead by years of ShineRanker, which means that they have bigger resources. There are multiple features built into their platforms. However, the team of developers is actively working on stabilizing and perfecting the existing tool features so we can provide you with the greatest possible experience. ShineRanker has various different features. Some are still in a testing phase and still a lot of work in progress. Most of these will help you in the keyword research process and assist you in improving your website's performance by providing you insight from the website's audit result. There are 2 working subscription plans, monthly and annual subscription plans. The monthly subscription plan is offered for $75, while a yearly plan costs $750. Before you subscribe, you can use ShineRanker free for 10 days. Therefore, after you find the right topic for your channel using ShineRanker, then you are going to add that topic to the list. Step 3. Create the video. When you are done sorting the content, you must do either of 2 things. Either you create a video or you use a bot to create it. Using a bot means you can use websites for these kind of tasks. One of the best websites or bots you can use is Jasper Toolbot, and you can get it at jaspertoolbot.com. Jasper Toolbot is a copywriting tool that uses the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to automatically produce persuasive, enticing copy for your blog posts, landing page, social media, ads, marketing emails, and much more, allowing you to write 5 times more content in a fraction of the time. Jasper AI offers more than 50 content templates for you to choose from, which makes it a perfect solution for any blogger or business owner that needs help with writing SEO-friendly blog posts, social media copywriting, ad campaigns, and email subject lines, and more. The AI-generated output producer by Jasper Toolbot is 99.99% original content that is free of plagiarism. This will allow you to generate high-quality content that's also SEO optimized in a form assistant allowing you to write full blog posts, marketing emails, or even entire books. For using this tool, all you have to do is go and type down your topic there and command the robot to start off with the script. However, it's most likely to happen that you don't get the content you are looking for. But this issue can be overcome by another feature that you can actually tell the robot what and how to write. Even though you can rely on this robot option, but obviously if you're going to do the YouTube video yourself, that would be a better decision. And chances are that you are going to end up with a better video as compared to the one created using a robot. On the contrary, if you are going to make the video yourself, then we recommend you another tool, OBS. You can directly download it from Google. It is available for free. This has a feature that offers you to start any screen recording, and here you go. Create the video yourself. Another tool we have to recommend to you is Pictory software, and you can get it at pictorysoftware.com. This is an outstanding tool which offers numerous services. Pictory software's powerful AI lets you create and edit professional quality videos using text with zero technical skills required or any software to download. It saves time, increases your visibility, and boosts your brand. It can turn scripts into jaw-dropping videos in just minutes, transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot, repurpose content, add captions automatically. After you create a video from here, you can either do the voiceover on your own or you can hire any voiceover artists. Using the robot's voice won't be a good option because YouTube will detect that you are using a robot and will definitely demonetize your channel. Step 4. Uploading your video. After you are done creating the video from any of the tools as mentioned above or by yourself only, you are all set to upload the video on YouTube. For uploading, you will go to your account that you have created already, and there select the upload option and upload the video directly from your desktop or laptop. Since you have completed all the vital and necessary things in the previous steps, thus, you are all set to upload the video. One last thing while uploading the video is to turn on the monetization of your channel from the channel settings. However, since you have a brand new channel, this is surely not going to be monetized too soon. You'll have to get 1,000 subscribers and about 4,000 hours of watch time. Step 5. Some important steps before uploading. Before you upload the video, you will encounter another step, and that is deciding the title of the video. This is also one of the things that you should have thought about already, but if you haven't figured it out yet, then no worries, now is the time. By using the lots of keywords that you have gathered from the Shine Ranker and by your own research, you are going to come up with an engaging title such that your main keyword is present as it is in the title of the video. Simultaneously, you will also have to write the description of your video. Since you have created the video, you have an idea of what is in the video. The description section requires you to explain the basic idea of your video. This may be a brief or detailed description. YouTube offers you a limit of about 5,000 words, so you don't have to worry about the word limit while writing the description. Moreover, one more important step is to design a thumbnail for your video display. For this task, you can use a tool, Canva. This tool is purposely built to design templates and thumbnails for various things. This tool is also available for free, and here you will create a simple thumbnail because creating a complicated thumbnail is of no use and just a waste of time. Another pro tip we would like to add here for you is to always create videos that you can upload not only on YouTube but also on different types of other social media platforms and your websites as well. This will not only boost the reach of your video but also generate traffic on places where you are posting this video other than YouTube. So this was it, guys. That's all you need to know before starting your everlasting journey on YouTube. Hope you all find this video informative. Don't forget to tell us what topic you all would recommend to us for our next video. Also, please support us by sharing this video. See you soon.